Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Today's topic is what is metaphors, how many types of metaphors and how does metaphors work. Metaphors is a term used in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning to describe a particular type of algorithmic approach. Metaphors is designed to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of predictive models by optimizing the performance of machine learning algorithms. In this article, we will take a closer look at what metaphors is, the different types of metaphors, and how it works. What is metaphors? Metaphors is an algorithmic approach to improve the accuracy of machine learning models. It is a form of meta learning, which is the process of learning how to learn in machine learning. Metaphors is used to optimize the performance of machine learning models by adjusting their parameters and hyperparameters. The goal of metaphors is to make machine learning models more efficient and effective by learning from past experiences. The algorithm uses a set of training data to generate a model that is then used to predict outcomes for new data. The model is then evaluated to determine how accurate it is. If the accuracy is not satisfactory, metaphors will adjust the parameters and hyperparameters of the model to improve its performance. How does metaphors work? Metaphors works by using a set of training data to generate a model that can be used to predict outcomes for new data. The model is evaluated to determine how accurate it is. The accuracy is not satisfactory. Metaphors will adjust the parameters and hyperparameters of the models. There are two main types of metaphors: parametric metaphors and non-parametric metaphors. Parametric metaphors algorithmic assume that the model can be represented a fixed set of parameters. Non-parametric metaphors algorithm do not make this assumption and can adopt any model. Parametric metaphors algorithm work by adjusting the values of models parameters to improve its performance. For example, if a linear regression model is not accurately predicting outcomes, the metaphors algorithm might adjust the slope and intercept of the regression line to improve its accuracy. How many types of metaphors are there? There are several types of metaphors algorithm, each designed for a specific type of machine learning models. The most common types of metaphors algorithms are gradient based metaphors. This type of metaphors algorithm uses gradient descent to optimize the performance of a model. It works by iteratively adjusting the parameters of the models to minimize the cost function. Bayesian metaphors. This type of metaphors algorithm uses Bayesian inferences to optimize the performance of a model. It works by using prior knowledge about the model to update its parameters based on new data. Ensemble metaphor. This type of metaphors algorithm was use a combination of multiple models to improve the accuracy of prediction. It works by combining the prediction of several models to create a model more accurate prediction. Evolutionary metaphors. This type of metaphors algorithm uses evolutionary algorithms to optimize the performance of a model. It works by generating a population of models and selecting the best ones to reproduce and create the next generation of models. Deep metaphors. This type of metaphors algorithm uses deep learning techniques to optimize the performance of a model. It works by using neural networks to learn a representation of the data that is optimized for the specific task. Conclusion. Metaverse is an important algorithmic approach in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is designed to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of machine learning models by optimizing their performance. There are several types of metaphors algorithm, each designed for a specific type of machine learning model. By using metaphors, machine learning model can be more. So guys, this is the end of our topic. In this video we have discussed about metaphors, like what is metaphors, how many types of metaphors, and how does metaphors work. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Goodbye.